Hello there, my name is David Brooks and I'm here today to introduce you and welcome you to the Nexus Academy. And what we want to do today is just simply take you through a very simple onboarding process. As a user to the Academy, you will have already been added to our web application and your email will be added. And so when you actually log in, you need to go onto your browser and search for nexusacademyai.com. You use your email as your username and your password for the first time login will be capital U SER at 123, user at 123. As soon as you log on in the first time, please change your password and I'll show you what that looks like. Just 1 second. So what you're going to need to do is first and foremost is put your username in here, which is your password. So I've set this one up for an example. So it's George. There it is, nexusgrowth.net, and we're going to log in with his username, user at 123 with a capital U, and sign in. You don't need to save that. And so this will be your portal, your user portal, and this is what you will see when you log in. So first and foremost, you'll see you can change password up here by clicking on this button here. I'm not going to do that because I need to keep that, and you just put in your current password, which would be user at 123, and then add your new password to change it. Well, from this area you can click into your academy, and here you would see your 65 days of training. And if you just click on day one, you'll only be able to click on day one. You can't move over to the next day until you've done what day one. Click on there and you'll see 10 slides of information showing you what to learn, and then once you've finished that, a simple 5 questions quiz. Once you've finished that, submit the quiz and then you can move to day 2. There is some practical tests to try on your new Hermes agent, and also there's a checkbox if you want to tick off that you've done. Once you've finished that, you can go back to your academy training slides, and if you see, you can go back to your dashboard by clicking that. What we need to do though is get you a Hermes agent, and to do that you're going to need to do a couple of things. The first thing, if you're just happy to use your agent on your phone, then you need to download the Telegram app. And so go on to your App Store or on the equivalent for Android, and look for Telegram. It has this logo, that's the logo you're looking for, and download the Telegram app and set that up. You'll need to put your telephone number in. Telegram works via telephone numbers, the same as WhatsApp. Once you've done that and you've downloaded it, this will come up and you'll be able to see all the different chats and whatever on there. And you want to search in here for this one, Botfather. Look at the little blue star there, that's really important with the tick in. Bot, capital B-O-T, capital F-A-T-H-E-R. Once you've found that, we need to then create your bot. So once you've found that, in the bit here where you can chat, you need to do /new bot. And this then allows you to create a new bot, so you need to change a name. And I'm just going to show you how you do that. So when we're looking for an example, the company here was Nexus, so that would be your company name. And then we've used an underscore with George, another underscore Brooks, so that's George's first and second name, and then underscore bot. You must use lowercase characters, and whatever happens, it has to end in underscore bot. And that's going to be your bot username that you choose. The reason why I suggest using your first name and surname and your company name is because it has to be individual. So then if we go back onto the Telegram, and I'm going to open up at the same time the training academy. We're going to put in here that Nexus underscore George underscore Brooks underscore bot, and then we're going to send that chat. You'll see it's immediately saying give me that name again, but it must finish bot. So I'm going to just copy and paste that in again and press search. And you'll see here, congratulations, you've created your new bot. This is how you're going to communicate with your Hermes agent. So what we need to do here is now add these details into your user portal here. So where it says bot username there, you just want to paste in that Nexus George underscore bot. And then what we need to do is add this bot token here. This is really, really important. So copy that, copy. And then we need to add this in your bot token sense there. And once you've done that, you can save your bot details. Now, when you get registered for this, you will receive an email from us when we register you, and it has these instructions on as well, but this video is there to help you. So you will have already got an email like this explaining a lot of this and your setup. But obviously we just thought we'd do a video as well to help you through the setup process. And that's it. Once you've done that, you can then search for your new bot. Now it will take up to 30 minutes for your new bot to be created. And so what you would then do is take this here, your username, copy, and in the global search at the top, put it in, paste, and there it is. And after 30 minutes, you'd press start, and then your bot will come to life. So because we've only just done that, that won't happen as of yet. You'll know when it's coming to life because it will say typing just here. And so that means your Hermes bot is active. So that's it really. Now the only other thing is sometimes obviously you're going to have, or could have some problems. And so let me give you my details. And so that means that you could ring me if you've got any problems. So let me set that up. And so if we put support here, we change the point so you'll be able to read it. Okay. So my email is david.brooks@nexusgrowth.net. So if you've got a problem, please give me an email. Drop me an email on davidbrooks@nexusgrowth.net, and we'll see if we can get that sorted for you really quickly. Alternatively, on Monday to Friday, 9 till 5, you can call me on my mobile, which is 07870 694 622. If I don't answer immediately, I could be on the other line, so please just leave me a message and I'll ring you back and come back to you and get you sorted. So that's it. I hope that has been informative for you, and I hope you enjoy your new Hermes agent and you enjoy the academy, and we look forward to working with you in the coming months. Thank you very much.